Click for IB Biology, the Universality of Animal Movement. There's a PDF of this presentation linked into the description, along with the quick quiz with its answers and some other links to the channel and other videos in this sequence. So here we're considering the universality of animal movements. Animals can broadly be considered to be mobile or sessile in their movements. By mobile, I mean that they actively move around. If we think in terms of the acquisition of food, we've got these predatory birds here, and they're seeking out their prey, finding their nutrient. By the same token, the zebra are also moving around, changing position within their habitat, seeking food, their nutrient. Now compare that to what is called a more sessile lifestyle, where they sit and wait for food to come to them, here illustrated by this marine organism called the barnacle. And the barnacle is sessile, which is to say it is fixed to the surface. Here you can see it actually has a calcareous shell around it for protection. However, it is still capable of movement, which is to say that it will generate force using the energy of ATP to bring about the contraction of muscles, and through various forms of movement to bring about a positional change. But in the case of the barnacle, it remains stationary on the rock, but it's actually extending out these leg-like filtering apparatus and using those to filter the ocean waters for its nutrient. When the water recedes, this structure is withdrawn into the shell, or indeed under predaceous attack, it can do so. We're going to see animal movement in a variety of forms during the course. They could be in hunting, in predation, equally in actually avoiding the predation. We will see animals moving in attempts to locate mates for breeding purposes. It may be necessary to avoid and to change location within an environment because of climatic changes, so we'll see examples of migration. And then on a more real-time basis, we would see changes in position in response to stimuli as the animal shows its sensitivity to changes in the environment in response to those. Now, of course, all geared towards promoting their chances of survival. So throughout the course, we should come across many examples of animal movement. How they actually bring about this movement can be found by following the links to the next videos as shown here. There's also the link to the playlist, so you can see the entire series, and you can link to the channel should you wish to.